After years of research and development, scientists at ASEA have created Renew 28 as a solution to restoring your skin's renewal process. Renew 28 is a concentrated topical gel that provides a whole body skin therapy to revitalize your skin's health and appearance.
After, I feel like my age spots are lighter.
The unique redox signaling technology behind Renew 28 empowers communication at the cellular level, which helps to rejuvenate your body's skin cells. By shedding dead cells and replacing them with new and healthy ones, your skin is able to maintain its vibrance and well-being. When healthy, this process of skin renewal should take place every 28 days. Renew 28 is specifically designed to work alongside this natural process, helping your skin maintain its youthful look. It should be used as a part of your daily skin regimen or applied to specific problem areas as needed.
I feel like I belong to the younger age group.
I noticed that my age spots around my eyes were lightening, and then I noticed a lot of tightening in the wrinkle areas as well.
I had a scar on my nose. It's lightened my scar, and to me that was like confidence booster, you know.
The results were amazing. Skin analysis showed an improvement in overall wrinkles of 23% and an improvement in facial skin texture of 22%. During the trial period, there was an average increase of 23% in the smoothness of participant skin, a 20% increase in elasticity, and skin moisture showed an average increase of 11%. Participants saw a noticeable reduction in redness and irritation, enhanced skin quality, and overall improvement in tone and balance.
I used to have darker circles around my eyes and then uneven patches on the top of my forehead.
After using Renew 28, I felt like my complexion was cleaner and my pores were tighter and my skin felt more firm, especially in the mornings.
My skin's a lot more balanced. I'm not getting dry, flaky spots. And it really made my skin extremely soft.
More hydrated, more soft, and more smooth.
The clinically proven science behind ASEA's Renew 28 is exclusive and unavailable in any other product. This product is non-reactive and so unique that it can be combined with any skin regimen to produce phenomenal results.
It's really nice to put my makeup over the top and not be able to tell it's there.
I was happy that it didn't smell like a perfumed lotion.
Renew 28 is non-comedogenic, preservative-free, and hypoallergenic, providing a simple, natural approach to true skin health.
It's perfect for me. It's working.
The most wonderful product that I've ever tried.
I love the feeling of my skin.
Look better, feel better, live better. Renew 28, powered by ASEA.